Hello guys, welcome back to SaaS Ltd deals. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to our channel to get the best lifetime deals on SaaS software. I'm back with another review and today I'm going to review Beeble. And for your information, we are currently running Beeble giveaway on our group and there are going to be 20 winners. And if you want to join this giveaway, you have to join this group on Facebook. You will get the link in the description below. So back to the video, Beeble is the email platform, but what sets it apart from other email platforms such as Gmail is the security it has. It has end-to-end encryption, it has password protection for emails, it also has self-destructing emails. So all of these security measures are something you do not get on other email platforms such as Gmail. And the great news is Beeble is currently available on Appsumo as a lifetime deal. The regular price is around $200, but at Appsumo you are getting 81% off, which means the price is only $39. And this is a one-time single payment for the lifetime deal. Now let's have a look at all the features that you are going to get with this Appsumo deal. So as you can see, here are all the primary features. There is 4096 encryption key strength. So if you're familiar with this subject, you'll know that most of the typical platforms use the 2048-bit key encryption, and that is definitely not secure enough. And that is exactly why Beeble has implemented 4096 encryption key strength. It makes this email platform super secure and also future proof. And the maximum attachment file size on Beeble platform is 50 MB. And as you know, on Gmail, you cannot send any files as attachment files when it is over 25 MB. But on this platform, the maximum limit is 50 MB. You can password protect your emails. You can send audio and video emails. You can also send self-destructing emails. You can create unlimited folders and labels. There are also custom filters and rules that you can set. And here are two tiers that you can buy from Appsumo. The tier 1 is going to cost you $39 with 250 GB of storage. And keep in mind that Beeble also has their own cloud storage just like Google Drive. So for that storage and also for email, you get this storage 250 GB on tier 1. You can send 500 messages every day. And there are going to be 25 aliases. And for those who do not know about alias, it is the different email addresses for one single account, which means you can create your account with this license tier, but you can have 25 different email addresses with the one single account. And then there is license tier 2. If you need more storage, you can buy this one. It is going to cost you $119, but as you can see, the storage is massive. You are going to get 1 TB of storage and you can send 2000 messages every day and you can create 100 aliases. So if you want to buy the lifetime deal of Beeble from Appsumo, make sure you check the link in the description below. After you log into Beeble, you will get this dashboard. And as you can see, it's a very user-friendly email platform. On the left side, you have all the essentials. So your inbox, the send messages, your draft, the start messages, the archive messages, spam, and also you have trash, which means when you delete a message, it is not going to be deleted permanently. It is going to go to the trash folder. And then you have the additional folders. So here you can create as many folders as you want. As you can see, I already have created one folder. And I can also create another by clicking on this plus icon. So all I have to do is select the folder name and I can also select the parent if I want and then click on add. And this way I can create the folder. I can also create various labels. For that, once again, I have to click on this plus icon, then the name of the label and also the color. Then click on save to create a label. And on the top right side, there are also some other options. For example, this is the contacts. So you can have all of your contacts on this section. And when you send an email to a email address, that contact is going to be added automatically. As you can see, I have sent messages to this email address and it has been added automatically. You can also create contact groups if you want. And as I was talking about earlier about aliases, so how can you create those aliases? For that, you have to go to the settings. And then you have to come to this aliases. So here you can create additional email addresses for your email account. So let's go back. And if you click on your profile picture, you can also access the settings, the billing, the language, and you can also enable push notification from here. So now let me show you the primary features of sending emails using Beeble. So to send email, first you have to click on this. And as you can see, a tab has opened. So just like Gmail or any other platforms, you have to provide the sender email, the subject, and your message. So for example, I want to send the email to this email address. And you can also open the CC or BCC boxes if you want. So this is going to be the email where I want to send an email. And then for subject, let's select first test, and then you can type your text. For example, I want to type, "Hey, what's up?" So this is what going to be my email, and you can also remove this part if you want, but I'm going to keep it. And now you can obviously send this email. So it is very easy, but there are some advanced features that you can use, and one of those is this self-destructing email. So you can set an expiration date for this email when this email is not going to be available anymore. So let's set the expiration date. It could be for 1 hour, 3 hours, 5 hours, or days even. You can also custom set the expiration time. So let's choose custom. And for example, I want this email to disappear on this time. Now what I want to do is click on set. So as you can see, it is saying that the email is going to expire or self-destruct in this date and in this time. And if you check this box, also delete from my mailbox, when the email expires on that particular time, it is also going to be deleted from even your own inbox. So I don't want that, so I am not going to check this box. Now let's simply send this message. Click on send. So as you can see, the encryption process has started, and okay, so it is saying the message has been sent. So now let's go to the sent folder, and it has still not appeared. So I'm going to reload this page. Okay, I didn't even have to reload. This message has appeared, the sent message. So here is the message that I have sent. And as you can see, it also verifies signature. So that is a good feature. And this message is going to be expired in 5 minutes. So first let's check if the message has been really sent properly. So let's go to this email account. So currently I am on the account where I have sent this email from Beeble, but the email has not yet arrived. And this is something I have also noticed before, that when I send an email using the expiration date, self-destructing emails, it takes some time to arrive on the inbox of the receiver. So let's wait a little bit. Okay, so the email has finally arrived on my Gmail account, and now let's open this one. So here is the sender info, and here is the encrypted message. So as you can see, this is a self-destructing email. So it is not arriving on the Gmail inbox directly. I have to click on open it, and then it is going to open on Beeble's own platform, because obviously you will understand that Beeble doesn't have enough control on Gmail. So for self-destructing email, what they do is host that particular email on their own server, since it is going to be self-destructed after a certain period of time, and they can only do it when they host those emails on their own server. So that is exactly what happened. As you can see, on Gmail, you are going to get a message like this one. You have to click on open it. And when you open that email, you are going to get the message properly. And it is going to be deleted in 1 minute. So let's also check that one. After 1 minute, we are going to come back and see if the email is really been destructed or not. So more than 1 minute have passed. Now I'm going to open this message and let's see if it has been self-destructed or not. So open it. And as you can see, it is now saying this message is expired, which means this message is not available anymore. It has successfully self-destructed it. So I have to say the expiration messages are working perfectly. So once again, I'm back on Beeble. And as you can see, this was the message that I sent and it is now expired. So you will also get a notification on here. And on the top side, you will get some basic functions such as you can archive this message, send it to spam, move it to other folders. You can label as something else. You can delete this message or print this one, or you can also show the source of this message. And as for moving, you can move to other folders. As you can see, the test folder is appearing, which means the custom folder that I created on this section, it is appearing when I want to move this message. So I can move it to test folder. So now let's go to this test folder, and as you can see, this message is here. So now let's once again go to inbox, and I want to send another message, and this time I want to password protect it. So once again, let's send it to the same receiver, and then subject is going to be, so this is going to be the subject, and let's type something here. So this is going to be my message, and I'm going to remove the bottom part. And then I want to password protect it, which means encrypt with password. So let's click on this one. And you can also generate strong passwords by clicking on this. And you can also set even your own passwords. So let's provide something very simple, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's click on set password. So this is going to be the encryption password. Now let's send this message or email. So it is encrypting the email, and here is the encryption, and the message has been sent. So once again, let's go to the send folder. And the message is yet to arrive. So here is our message. Let's open this one. So here's the message. Now let's go to the Gmail account and let's see if we receive the email. Okay, so the email has arrived on inbox. So let's open this one. And once again, it is an encrypted message, password protected email. So let's open this one. It is also going to be hosted on Beeble. And here is the password box where you have to fill the password. So let's give the password 12345 and let's click on open. So as you can see, after entering the password, the email has opened. And since it is also another encrypted message or email, it is also going to be deleted after 11 months. So the password protection of email from Beeble is also working perfectly. So back to Beeble. Now I want to go to inbox and let me show you some other options, the other things that you can send on email. So once again, click on this compose button and this tab is going to open. You can also make this tab bigger if you want. And you can also send some other things such as you can attach files and the maximum limit is 50 megabyte unlike Gmail where you get only 25 megabyte of limit. You can also add audio file. So if you click on this, you will get to a page where you have to record your audio directly. So if you click on record, it is going to record your mic. Whatever you say, that is going to be recorded. And if you click on attach, that record is going to be attached to this email. And in the same way, you can also record your own camera or webcam. Click on record, it will start recording. And after you finish recording, you have to attach it. And then the video recording is also going to be attached on your email. And then you can send that. You can also open the formatting text option to organize or decorate your text with bold, italic, underline, and all of these options. And obviously, I have showed you the other features, the self-destructing email and also password protection. So this was everything that you get when you want to compose or send an email to a person. You are going to get all of these features. And then there are also the other options. So here are all the email folders, the additional folders, and also the labels. Here is your storage. So about the storage, as I have said earlier, Beeble also has their own cloud storage, just like Google Drive, where you can store your files with very high security. Your data is going to be protected with the cloud storage of Beeble. So to access that storage, you have to click on this cloud icon. And here is the Beeble cloud. And as you can see, here is the 1 GB of free storage. But on the Appsumo plans, you're going to get way more than this. So as you can see on the license tier 1, the storage is going to be 250 gigabyte. And on the license tier 2, the storage is massive with 1 terabyte of storage. So you can use those storage on this cloud server. So just like Google Drive, you can upload files or you can also upload folders directly from your computer. You can also create a folder. So for example, test folder. Click on add, and as you can see, one folder has added. So you can select this folder, you can download this folder, you can share the link, and you can also start it or copy this folder, move it, rename it, or delete it. You can also change the view of this cloud storage. For that, click on this. So as you can see, now the folder icon is appearing in a different way. And there are also some other features such as this star folder where you can start a file or a folder and that is going to appear on this section. And you also have trash, which means when you delete a file or folder, that is not going to be deleted permanently. That is going to be on this trash section first. So let's go to the cloud drive and this folder. Let's open this folder and let's upload some files on here. So currently I am uploading 2 MP3 files and also 2 MP4 files. So 2 audio files and 2 video files. And the upload speed is amazing. I haven't really seen these types of fast speed on any other cloud storage other than Google Drive. So that is amazing. Okay, so all of the files are completed uploading on here. And as you can see, here are all the files. You can obviously change the view if you want. And when you click on a file, you can also preview that file. So if you click on preview, you can preview the file directly from here. And there are also other options such as you can send this file using your email, using the Beeble email. You can delete it, you can flag it, you can copy, move, rename, or share the link. So about sharing link, for example, I want to share the link of this whole folder. So I have to click on this folder, right click on my mouse, and then click on link. The sharing link has been created. And if I copy this, anyone can access the files that is on this folder. And you can also protect your folder with password. And you can also set expiration date for folder or any files, which means after a certain time, that particular file or folder is going to be disappear. So now let's see if this sharing link properly works. So let's open a new tab and enter the link. So I have opened the link from another browser, and as you can see, this is the view that I'm getting when I'm not the owner of the account. I just have the link. I will get this type of view, and now I can download this file. I do not have any other permissions. All I can do is download these files, and here's the folder name. So this is exactly how you are going to share your folder. All you have to do is click on link, and now if I click on stop sharing, let's first copy this link and click on stop sharing. So now once again, let's try to enter the link and see if it works. So now as you can see, the file is no longer available, which means the folder, I have stopped sharing the folder. Now it is not anymore accessible because I have stopped sharing. So even though I entered the link, the file or folder is no longer available. So obviously I have showed you how to share the folder. You can also do that same for any file. For example, this file. So click on link. A link is going to be created. You can also password protect this file. So when someone wants to enter the link and access your file, he has to enter a password. You can also self-destruct with a certain expiration date. So let's stop sharing. So this is everything about the cloud drive of Beeble. And if you click on this, you can directly upload a file, upload folder, or create a folder on here. And when you delete a file, for example, let's delete this one, click on delete. So it is now deleted. Let's go to trash. And as you can see, it is now available on trash. So you can also delete it from trash by clicking on delete. Overall, I have to say Beeble is an excellent tool. It gives you a very secure email platform where you can use self-destructing emails or password protect your emails. It has excellent end-to-end encryption. The strength is also out of this world, 4096 key strength. So that is amazing. And it also has cloud storage. And if you buy the license tier 2, you are going to get 1 TB of storage. So that is massive. So if you want to buy Beeble on a lifetime deal from Appsumo, make sure you check the link in the description below. Here are all the features that you are going to get. And here are 2 tiers that you can buy from Appsumo. So that's it for our today's video. I hope you have found the video to be helpful. Let me know what you think about Beeble in the comment section. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, stay safe. Goodbye.